Sometimes people like to cut a page out of their coloring book to make it easier to color with different mediums. There are many different ways to add color to the images. Markers, watercolors, and colored pencils, to name a few. Or maybe they like to remove the page they colored to display. I sometimes use one in a daily journal with an inspirational saying, which I will share in another video. This is how I quickly, easily, and accurately remove pages from a coloring book. All you need is a ruler with a straight edge, metal is best, and then you'll need a hobby knife. I am using an X-Acto knife from my toolkit. Now open the coloring book. And turn the book sideways. Press the binding open. I find this way is the safest, but still be careful. I use an extra paper or the cardboard backing left over from an old sketchbook placed behind to stop from cutting through. Now put the ruler where you wish to cut the page. Holding it in place firmly, and then cut across. The paper should come out very easily with a nice clean straight edge. As you can see, the next page was not cut. I hope you found this helpful and that you're able to easily and cleanly remove pages from your coloring books now. If you enjoy coloring books, be sure to check out my description box below and put your new cutting skills to use with one of our coloring books. Thank you for watching.